Hi, welcome to our CS39 project. I'm Yichong Liu,
And I'm Laurent Mann.
and this is our demo of the ML Elite Chinese English classifier. Our project aims to give accurate classification of a written sentence based on both Chinese and English handwritten languages. For example, if you write some Chinese characters, the model will predict it's actually Chinese characters, and likewise with English. Our model was built very successfully with a high accuracy rate in both the validation and training sets. As an optional stretch goal, we realized that a classification model may not be enough in real life, and we are trying to create an OCR model based on the original dataset as well, which can process the handwritten language and give out the actual text results. This is the source of our English dataset, the IAM handwriting database. This is an example image of an English sentence. Because all the images were the same size, we reshaped them through stretching and shrinking so they would be 120 by 1200. This is the source of our Chinese dataset, which comes from the COMPSCI handwriting database. Here is an example image of a Chinese sentence. Just like the English dataset, we had to change all the image sizes to be 120 by 1200.
For the model itself, it was composed of CNN layers and LSTM nodes, which formed an RNN subnetwork. We did the RNN subnetwork because we heard that it would be good for sequence classification where you need information from the previous part of the sentence to gain information about the current part that you're analyzing through the sliding window. As you can see below, I have a sample of 8 images. This is how we trained it. We did an 80%, 20% training validation split, and we ran the model on the training set. And following that, we evaluated the model based on how it classified the validation data. As you can see, this is an image from the validation data. We have a Chinese sentence here composed of many characters. The predicted output is Chinese, and the actual is Chinese. We also have a little live demo for this segment. I'm going to start running it. And as you can see, I have a blank 120 by 1200 canvas. I'm going to write some letters on it, starting with some Chinese characters. And once I press enter, we should see the output of the model around here. I press enter, and as you can see, it predicts Chinese. I'm going to write some English sentences now. And as you can see, the model predicts English. This is a good example of how well the classifier classifies both Chinese and English sentences. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.